So these extensions on the bottles, all it is a 10 millimeter pipette and a squeeze bottle. What you'll see on these is I did cut these off, the tips, just to allow more soap to flow through there. And you're going to need some electrical tape to tape them on, some scissors, and get them ready. And depending on if you bought an 8-inch or a 10.5 inch, you don't want them super long. So I might cut down, like cut this off where it starts tapering off on the end right there on each one. Might even go up just a little bit, just to allow more soap to flow through there. And I get these off Amazon. It's the only place I was able to find them. They're fairly cheap. You can buy 100 of them for 15 bucks. So I cut that off with that piece, and then I'm just going to size this up. I'm going to go a little bit further with this one since I'm using these 8 inches. I'm going to set these bottles up, and you can reuse these if you clean them out right away. You can reuse them, so it's not just a one-time use deal. Just when they make sure they're secure, because I've had them fall off before after using them, and I go to pour and it pops off there and makes a big mess in your batch. So, and like I said, I cut these tips off. I use some dog nail pliers. You might scissors, like kitchen scissors, or like cutting crab legs or something like that. Some heavy duty scissors just to trim these off a little bit. And you put them on each end. Take your electrical tape and make sure this is all clean, because the electrical tape won't stick if it's dirty. It's got soap residue or oil still on it. Make sure it's straight. And just apply it where the electrical tape is. You don't need very much electrical tape. Just make sure it's tight on there. Test it to make sure it ain't going to come off. And like I said, if you clean these up right away, you can reuse them. The bottles, I do sell these, but sometimes with shipping, so being so expensive, I get them through Websterant. Let me get the number on the box of those. And I've tried different ones. These ones are I have wrist problems, so the squeezing motion starts getting it to me. My hands go to sleep at night. So I need kind of a soft plastic. I've bought some other ones that were way too hard to squeeze. So these ones are pretty good. And they're made in the United States by Tablecraft. And I will get the number. Okay, so this is, you can see that. It's Tablecraft 116636-1. I usually get them in boxes of 24. This was kind of a weird, different box. So this is they're 16-ounce widemouth. So you could use whatever bottle you want. I just use these because it's usually what I mix into each one of these little containers here. So it works out.